Good afternoon, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I thought I would give you guys a pond update. Pond's looking really good for spring now. We have a plumeria tree out here, which I'm happy to say has its first real bloom spike starting on it. And it's actually happening at the right time of year, so that we might actually get plumeria blooms for the first time too. I'll definitely keep you updated on that. It's a partly cloudy day today, but the turtle's out on the log. He's happy to be back out of the basement for the wintertime as well. The koi are definitely happy to be back out. You can see the new water feature we built. We have a water bowl within the pond. Unfortunately, koi eat everything. Like, nothing survives a koi once they get to a size. Any kind of vegetation is gone. So we haven't had plants in the pond for many years, and we thought we'd try this and see how it works. So it's just a nice water bowl, and they seem to like just swimming around it in circles. We got a black taro in there, papyrus, some parrot's feather, and water hyacinths. My cobra lilies are down here. The other half is in the pond up there. The turtle just jumped in the pond. And yeah, everything is doing great. So, plans for this year for the pond is not going to be a whole lot of altering for the pond itself, but I am going to do some videos on just my care for the pond. Ponds with big koi are quite hard to take care of compared to little tiny garden ponds. These things are the size of salmon down there, and they do take some care and some maintenance. And so I was going to bring you guys along this summer, and hopefully by the end of the summer, with little bits and pieces here and there, I'll teach you guys how to test your water and maintain your water chemistry and do water changes, and what materials are safe to use for the pond and what materials are not safe to use for the pond, and how we keep everything nice and balanced for these koi. So yeah, that's a pond update for you. Expect to see some more pond videos coming up shortly. I hope you like this video, and if you want to see those care and maintenance videos for the pond, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, thanks for watching.